In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your LinkedIn ID with your Facebook profile. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. This is where the magic begins, linking your LinkedIn profile with your Facebook account. When you arrive at LinkedIn's homepage, look for the Sign In option. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can enter your email address and password. It's completely your choice. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. Just follow the instructions on your device to enter the code and confirm your identity. That step may seem like a bit of a hassle, but it's a crucial measure to keep your account safe and secure. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll see your avatar picture. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This selection takes you to your LinkedIn profile page where all your professional information resides. While you're on your profile page, let's locate your LinkedIn URL. This URL is essential because it's the key that links your profiles together. You can find it in the address bar of your web browser. It typically begins with HTTPS followed by linkedin.com and your unique username. Go ahead and select that entire URL, then copy it. To copy, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a Windows computer or Command+C if you're using a Mac. With your LinkedIn URL copied, we're going to switch things up a bit and head over to Instagram. I know this video is about linking with Facebook, but just stick with me here. Open Instagram and navigate to your profile page. Once you're on Instagram, look for the option to edit profile. You should find it somewhere near the top of the screen. Click on Edit Profile, and there, you'll notice a section labeled Website. This is the perfect spot to paste your LinkedIn URL. To do this, use Ctrl+V or Command+V, depending on your operating system. After pasting the URL, make sure to save the changes to your Instagram profile. And there you have it, you've successfully linked your LinkedIn profile with your Facebook account by connecting it through your Instagram profile. In just a few minutes, you've enhanced the connectivity across your social media profiles. This connection not only makes it easier for your network to find your professional information but also strengthens your online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!